I'm a content creator. I have thousands of subscribers. I have thousands of followers on my Facebook. I have thousands of followers on my Instagram. I also have thousands of followers on my TikTok. But if I created a content and post it, I'm not having views, not even a like. I'm not even having comments. My brother and my sisters, if what I just mentioned, you are facing this problem, if you are really facing this kind of challenge as a content creator, wait and listen to what I'm trying to tell you right now. Watch this video from A to Z. And in this my channel like this, I'm just advising my fellow content creators, YouTubers, Facebookers, Instagrammers, TikTokers, and everyone. So wait and watch this video from A to Z. Wait and watch from A to Z. Okay? So you have so many thousands of followers on your social media handle as a content creator, but you are not getting views. You are not even getting any engagement, no like, no comments. And you fail to even ask yourself, like, which type of, how do you get your followers? Which type of followers do you even have? Are those subscribers or are those followers organic followers, or they are just fake followers? I know now somebody will be like, which one is organic followers and which one are fake followers? All followers are followers now. All followers are not followers. Easy for me to have fake followers, rather I don't even have any followers at all. So when we say organic followers are those followers that followed you based on the value they are getting from your content. And those kind of followers are followers that will always be waiting for your content to drop. Then they will begin engaging in your content. But when we say fake followers are followers that maybe you bought it from one kind of platform that we use to pay social amount, you will be getting thousands of followers in 1 day or in 3 days. They won't engage. Or there are those followers that maybe you just do sub for sub. Before you sub for sub, you subscribe to my channel, I subscribe to your channel back. You follow my page, I follow your page back. You follow my Instagram handle, I'll follow your Instagram handle back. You follow my TikTok, I follow your TikTok back. Do you know that those people that follow you, you do follow with them? Maybe you might end up like engaging in their content, but then they don't give a shit. They don't even care. They just followed you based on the agreements. That is all. But they are not even coming to your page. They are not even coming to your YouTube channel. They are not even coming to your Instagram account. They are not even checking your TikTok profile to even watch your content. Because they are not there for that. They didn't follow you for that. But when we say organic followers, they are always rumaranging in your page. They are rumaranging in your channel. Because they know you are giving out, you are dashing out something valuable. You are dashing out information that is vital for them. So that's why they followed you. That's why they subscribe to you. So I don't want to waste much of your time. I believe what I just explained, the difference I just give like this now, you know what I mean. You know what I mean, because between organic and fake followers. So if you know that your followers are fake, if you know that you are someone that used to do follow for follow, sub for sub, stop it. That is what is not good. That is what is hijacking your views. That is what is hijacking your engagement in your content. Stop that. Just stop it. It won't help. It won't carry you to reach anywhere. So let me tell you, if you really wanted to get organic followers, before creating any content, create content that will dash out information that you know your followers are in need of, information that will give value to your followers, information that will dash out value, insights to anybody around the globe that is watching your content. always make sure you are dashing out value. The more you are dashing out valuable content, the more followers you will be getting, and the more followers you will be getting, the more engagement you will be having in your content. The more likes you will be having, the more views you will be having, the more comments you will be getting in your content. And don't forget, if you know what I just shared with you right now is a valuable content to you, just do me a favor, like this content. You can comment any question you wanted to know, anything you want to know about this, you can comment in the comment section. And don't forget, share this to other friends, fellow content creators, so that they will know, they will remember what I just said. Please don't forget to share this video. Please run away from fake followers, run away from follow for follow, run away from sub for sub, run away from buying followers or buying subscribers. They won't help your content. Create your original content, valuable content, and push it out, and you surprise. Thank you so much, guys. I really appreciate you guys for liking and for subscribing to my channel. And don't forget, wait, I have a lot to share with you. I have so many. Next video I might did a video, but I don't know if anybody interested in this video that I wanted to do next. You should indicate in the comment section. I want to do a video on how to draw viewers' attention, how to draw followers' attention to follow your channel, or to subscribe to your channel, or to follow your Facebook page, or to follow your social media handle. I remain AzZubair Umar. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Thank you so much.